first I clarify, would you be willing to pay me a commission if I brought you a buyer? Yes or no? Fantastic. Great. Here's the catch. I don't want your listing. And they're going to be like, because what I come in with them and I say, look, this is how it's going to roll. What I want to do is I want to come in and I want to shoot a live Facebook video of your home. I have a pretty good following. I want to get it out to the people, the other agents, and or buyers that might want to see this home that might not be aware that it's here because they're not actively looking in different places except for the MLS. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to give you some specific. I'm not going to give the address or the address or the street. I'm going to give a generality of where it is. Now, if you want to be on camera, that's great. If not, that's great. But I'm going to shoot a video. I'm going to hype it up. And then I'm going to filter them back through me, all the buyers, so that I can be the BS meter. Once I've verified that they are real, I'll get them pre-approved. If they can't afford your home, then we'll set up a showing, and then we'll come in and we'll help you sell this home for as much as we possibly can. Would that offend you if I was able to help you sell your home? People turn around, of course, so it's not going to offend them, right? And then I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this video. I'm going to upload it to my video editors over at Viral Marketing. They're going to chop it up into a Facebook ad for me, and then I'm going to blast it out for $50 out into the ether of Facebook to draw them back to me for, fill in a squeeze page. I get through conversion, and then see if they're interested. Welcome to the show, Bandito. If they're interested in actually buying, great. Now I understand. Now I know exactly what they're looking for and what they can afford.